Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we are installing a 4-inch rough country lift kit on a 2007 to present Toyota Tundra. Now the special thing about this rough country lift kit is you don't have to cut or drill anything. It's all factory. Everything that you do can be reversed in the future. So if you're selling your truck and you think you need to lower it to have better chances of selling it, this is the kit for you. We have a couple of tips on this lift. The first one is you have to replace your upper control arms. And when you replace your upper control arms, there's one long bolt. And you just have to wiggle and jiggle and get it out. Then whenever you put the new upper control arm on, it looks as though there's gaps between the upper control arm and the mounts, like it's too wide. Whenever you tighten the upper control arm bolt, it will pull it all together and you'll be good. Second tip is the differential. You have to drop the differential and put a spacer in there to help with the driveline angles. We highly recommend you dropping one side, putting the spacer in, putting the new bolt in, and then dropping the other side, and not dropping both of them at the same time. You can drop both of them at the same time if you want, but we would highly recommend dropping one side. We are putting some RDR 08 wheels, 20x9 with a negative 12 millimeter offset, and some 35 1250 R20 SureTrac radial all-terrain tires. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call at 833-268-2577, or feel free to shoot us a text. If anything, have a great day.